Hi everybody, what's up? Josh here from Alternative Brewing, and today we're brewing up a cup of coffee using the Aeropress coffee maker. This versatile brewer can make coffee in countless ways, and we'll show you today how to get started right out of the box. Let's not waste any more time on this, let's jump in and start brewing. The Aeropress is a compact, durable and portable coffee maker that's perfect for coffee lovers on the go. And it comes with a variety of accessories to enhance your brewing experience. The key components include the main brewing chamber, a plunger, the filter cap, and paper filters. And designed for versatility, it can brew everything from espresso style shots to a smooth, rich, full cup of coffee. And the original Aeropress is now available to purchase in a variety of brilliant colours, as well as a clear version. Also, do check out the additional model Aeropresses with the Aeropress Go and the Aeropress XL for one that may best suit you. So to get started, you will need a few extra items to begin brewing. A way to heat your water, a grinder to grind your beans, and a set of scales or some way to measure weight and time whilst brewing. And I've got the Varia Aura kettle today, the Easy Presso Q-Air, which satisfyingly fits inside the chamber of the Aeropress, which I think makes a fantastic combination for a coffee travel kit, as well as the Varia AKU scales. First, let's measure out 16 grams of freshly roasted coffee beans using the scoop provided. Then go ahead and grind your beans to a medium fine consistency. Next, take the Aeropress cap and place a single paper filter inside. Then secure this onto the main chamber, and then place the Aeropress on your cup or decanter and rinse the filter with hot water to eliminate any papery taste and also preheat your brewer. Just remember to throw out your rinse water. So with your Aeropress and cup now sitting on your set of scales, you can add your ground coffee into the chamber of the Aeropress. Just ensure now that your scales are zeroed. With water heated to 94 degrees Celsius or around 1 minute off the boil, start your timer as you pour in 250 mils of water into the chamber, which is stopping at the 4 mark on the Aeropress chamber, which leaves a small gap remaining. Then giving it a gentle stir through for around 5 seconds before placing the plunger on top. And we're going to let it steep here for around a minute to a minute and a half, before taking them off the scales and then slowly pressing down on the plunger. Now, the pressure should be nice, light and steady. Should take only around 30 seconds to fully press, but I have found in my experience, the slower you go, the less gritty the end cup will be. And then once you've pressed it down all the way, you can then flip the Aeropress back up once it stops dripping, and enjoy a quick, simple, and richly brewed coffee. It is a little bit hot right now, so I might let this cool down. However, you could also add some water, milk, sugar, cream, or however you take your coffee. This is just one recipe suggestion on how to brew with the Aeropress. And this is what I talk about, the Aeropress's versatility. It is because you have full control over 7 important factors when brewing the coffee on the Aeropress to customize the flavor to your preferences. And you're not limited to much of these at all. So I'll quickly go over these 7 suggestions now for one you might want to try. First, the dose. You can use as little or as much coffee as you like. Second, the grind size. From coarse grinds to fine, this influences how fast the coffee extracts in the water. Third, the water amount. From just a splash into the Aeropress to a maximum of around 250 to 280 mils, this will dictate how strong the coffee is. Fourth, the water temperature. So you can use cold water or boiling water or any temperature in between. Fifth, you can decide to stir or not to stir the coffee grounds. Then sixth, the steeping time. So that's how long you let the Aeropress sit whilst brewing before pressing. And then finally, pressing speed. So how fast or slow you press that plunger. And each of these factors can be adjusted to manipulate the flavor of your brew, giving you endless possibilities. Now, keeping your Aeropress clean ensures it performs well and lasts longer. So after brewing, press the plunger all the way down to remove any excess water, and then with it standing upwards, remove the cap. This way you can easily push out the used coffee grounds and the filter. Give the components a quick wash under some warm soapy water, and then make sure everything is thoroughly dry before reassembling it. Ensuring that the rubber plunger is not kept within the chamber during storage, as this will over time compromise the rubber. So either keeping it separately or press the plunger through all the way. So now that we've explored how to brew a fantastic cup of coffee using the Aeropress, and we've covered everything from setup to brewing and even maintenance, the Aeropress offers incredible flexibility in allowing you to customize every aspect of your brew. And that is without even touching on additional accessories, filters, or the inverted method. This is where you place the plunger in the chamber first, and then brew with the Aeropress sort of upside down. Then placing the cap on last, and when you're ready to press, you flip the Aeropress over with your cup. Give it a try yourself and experience the ease and use, that exceptional quality of coffee it produces. Thank you so much for watching to the end of this video. If you've enjoyed it, go ahead and smash that like button. Also subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and perhaps leave a comment down below and let us know how you like brewing with the Aeropress. And as always, happy brewing.